Have you accidentally locked out of your house, office, or car? Did you lose the key to your safe? Or do you need to change your locks? You got to the right place. LDL Locksmith, Orange County is just a phone call away. We will show up in 30 minutes and have you back on the road. We are a licensed local mobile locksmith that has made your security into our business. Whether it's your house, vehicle, or commercial business, 24 hours, 7 days a week around Orange County. What should you do now? Call 949-836-8483. Visit our official website or email us at ldllocksmithorangecounty@gmail.com and contact us today. What services we provide? We provide residential, commercial, and automotive locksmith services, including lock changes, rekey, car keys, remotes, and more. We understand that emergency service is not something that you plan. Even if it's in the middle of the night, we will provide service around the clock, product, sales, service, and installation. 100% satisfaction guaranteed. LDL Locksmith, Orange County, proud in providing the best customer service, high-quality job being fast and active in response, trustworthy, professional, friendly, and extremely reliable in their work. We are licensed and insured. We work around the clock to ensure your security by providing the most superlative services to the best of your satisfaction. For details, visit www.ldlorangecountylocksmith.com. Call 949-836-8483. Email ldllocksmithorangecounty@gmail.com.